Does anybody really know why Sailrite didn't put a light on any of their machines? They've done so much to them. They've massively improved the casting, they've improved the machining, they've improved the motor, they've improved the whole operation of this machine to make it a really, really useful bit of kit. But they've never put a light on it. It wouldn't take very much to fit an actual light, but all you get is this magnetic attachable one that has to be plugged in separately. So I thought I would give it a little bit of thought and just see how much it actually takes to wire in a light. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'll talk you through some of the things that I'm doing as I'm going. So what I've got here is it is a magnetic light with its own individual switch, and it's LEDs that power it. So I've fitted it in this location, and I'm just working out where I can run the wires to connect into the motor plug. This heat shrink will protect the cable from the abrasive internals of the machine and some of the sharp edges. There'll be 2 layers over most of the cable, with 3 layers where it goes through the holes where the sharpest edges are. This is just a little bracket I had lying about, which helps to hold the cable up away from the shaft. I'm just testing out the electrics here before I cut the cable to length, just to make sure everything works and I've got the right connections. The terminals are soldered in place, and then more heat shrink to protect it and insulate it. I didn't want to drill the case in, so I've tried some of the UV activated glue to attach this cable clip. So we'll see how that works. Well, I didn't think that was too difficult. And for the price of these machines, it seems silly not to fit a light when it's not a really difficult process. What do you think?